Today we'll be preparing a simple snack called banana pancakes. So this is very simple, very tasty as well as very healthy. So these are the basic ingredients that you need. I've taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of jaggery. You can take sugar if you don't like jaggery. Then 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd or milk. Okay, then I've taken 4 bananas. Okay, so these are very small bananas, that's why I've taken 4. In case if you are using big bananas, you can use 2. Okay, so for 2 cups of atta, whole wheat flour, I've taken 4 small bananas. If you're using big bananas, you can just use 2. Okay, so first thing is I'll just peel these bananas and put them in mixie jar. So I'll just cut it and put it in mixie jar. So this is very healthy and nutritious snack because we are using wheat flour, which is rich in carbohydrates and proteins. Then we are using banana, which gives energy as well as it is rich in potassium. Then we use curd, which is a probiotic, and jaggery. So all these ingredients are very healthy. So now I'll add jaggery. You can use sugar if you don't like jaggery. Then curd, and then to blend it well, I am adding small cup of water as well. Okay, so now in case if you need some flavoring, you can add at this point you can add elaichi, cardamom, that is cardamom, or cinnamon powder. So I'll be adding cardamom, a small piece of cardamom seeds, while grinding itself so that it gets mixed very well. So now I'll grind this. So now we have prepared the fine paste. So we'll just mix it with wheat flour. Make sure there are no lumps, so whisk it very well. The batter is ready. It should be this consistency. It should be creamy consistency. It should not be very thin like dosa batter. So now I'll add half a tablespoon of baking soda. So this helps in making your pancake crispier. So we'll just mix it. Now the tawa is ready. So now I'll just keep the tawa in low flame and gently spread the pan. Yeah. And we'll cover the lid. So now I'll just add badam pieces. You can use any dry fruit of your choice. We'll cover the lid, let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes in low flame. So I've just flipped it. You can see it's very light and spongy. Let's keep for another 2 minutes. Now the pancake is ready, and just remove it from the pan. If you are using non-stick pan, you can use butter so that it does not get stick to pan. Yeah. So now I'll add some badam pieces. So now you can see this is very soft and spongy. So I'll put it for another 1 or 2 minutes. We'll keep it. So now you can see it's very soft and spongy. So I'll just remove it. In case if it doesn't turn out soft and spongy, all you can do is you can just add another half tablespoon of baking soda. So you can eat it with chocolate sauce, you can eat it with the honey. So I'm serving it with honey. So I'll just cut one and show you how it has turned out. So we'll just cut it. You can see. You can see it's very soft and spongy. So now it's ready to be served. Please try the recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you have any queries, please put in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.